All right, detailing family styles, pretty work detailing. You know where I am, you know what I do. I shine and share with my detailing family, my DOAs, my new jacks, and my popcorn. Thinking about going out to see a movie tonight. Hope to see some of that popcorn there. You know. But you remember when I was last video I told you that I was gonna clean out my vacuum. This right here looks pretty clean. Pretty clean. But when I smell it, smells like a little bit of pet hair. So I'm gonna hit that too. But right now I'm gonna show you how I clean this. Got my vent all blowed out. Right? And I have about 4 of these wands here, these nozzles. Got them all sizes. Put it this way, you name it, Styles damn near got it. We ready to hit this big boy. Mr. Ridge, Mr. Ridge, Mr. Ridge. All right, pull me up a chair. I'm gonna run this through here. But this is what I'm gonna do. See the soap on top? I want that soap to get in there and do what it does. All right? I wanted to get stuck all in these ridges. I want to get stuck. Just how I'm gonna get it out. A little bit at a time. And as you see, it's getting on up out of there. You don't want to just stick it down there. It ain't gonna hurt nothing. But you wanna slurp. So you want it kind of like in with a little bit of air blowing. I mean sucking in too. Yeah. All right. Because I already done cleaned all that dirty water out from the car. I washed that out. So now all's going in here is the solution. Y'all forgive me? Get all of that. Get all that. You get in there, you suck all that out, boy. Yeah. All right. So it's all the way through. I'm gonna turn it around. And I'm going to unplug it and let it run out. Okay? Now, the inside of the hose is going to be good and wet. And see, that's that soap coming out at the end. Some of that good creamy cream. Oh, girl. Get all of it. Take it. Get it all. All right. So that's how I maintain my vacuum cleaner. And put you on pause because what I got to do, I got to get me some fresh water to run through there again. But that thing right there smells some kind of good. So when you're messing with somebody's car, it ain't gonna be too funky like a monkey up in there. It's gonna be sexy sweet. That's what I like. That's what I love. The sweetness. Hang tight. Find y'all some tight music. Hit you with a little bit of music.